Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple project plan within Excel. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you'll want to do is create a column for tasks. And this will simply state all the different tasks that are required within the project. And what I've gone ahead and done is I've divided the tasks into different sections. So I've gone with the project waterfall methodology of initiation, design, implementation, testing, and so on. But you may choose to have different sections based on your project, and that's completely fine. So that's the first thing you want to do is have a column for task and write down all the different things that need to be delivered part of this project. The second column I've got here is owner. So who actually will be delivering this particular item? So for example, for kickoff call, the owner for that will be Adam, and so on and so forth. And it's actually very important to have this section, otherwise you won't know who is accountable or responsible for each of the different tasks. The third column we have is deadline. So by when will we deliver each of these different items within the project? So you can choose to have this across two different columns, so start date and end date. For simplicity, I prefer just having the one column and writing down the different dates that we anticipate to deliver these different items. Moving on, we also need a column for status. Now, actually, this is really important because it allows us to stay on track of our actions. More importantly, it allows us to keep our owners accountable for their responsibilities. So what I personally like to do is I like to create a drop down with three different fields. So I've got complete, I've got in progress, and I've got overdue. And as you can see, the color changes based on the one I select. And that will make it a lot more easier for you to identify the items which are overdue and the items which are currently in progress. And check out the link in the description because I've got an entire video on how to create these drop downs within Excel. So moving on, we also need a column for comments. Now again, this is quite important because if there's any additional information that you need to capture, you can enter it within this column. So as you can see, I've just entered a example comment here. So for UI design, which is user interface design, this will be for websites and the app itself. And finally, I've got an entire section for the duration of the tasks. So what I've done here is I've entered the dates in weekly order, and each particular bar here represents 1 week. So for example, this particular activity will take 1 week to deliver, and then the business requirements will take 2 weeks to deliver. So simply all you need to do is just select the number of cells, change the color to whatever your preference, and that will represent the number of weeks required to deliver that particular action. So that was the video, guys. For more business related content, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.